Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is the December 2021 sheet load of cards. Every month, Alicia from the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel puts out a sketch and supply list and cutting guide and gives you instructions on how you can make a sheet load of cards. This month, I decided to make Christmas cards, but with a little different color palette than the normal red green. So I did use some black and white. Now these were the this is what I had chosen earlier in the month before I actually got the sheet load, and then once I put it together I realized this pattern just didn't go with it. I mean, it matches. It just, when I cut it apart, it just did not fit with the pattern. I don't know. It just didn't look right to me. So I am miles and miles away from a craft store, and I didn't have anything else in my stash, so I had to get creative. And let me show you what I did before I show you the sheet load of cards. I had this cutting file from Cuttlebug. It's an anagraphic snowflake file. And I thought snowflakes would go nice with this theme, but I didn't like this white embossed snowflake pattern. It just didn't give it the oomph that it needed. So I took some Distress Oxide. I turned it so the raised side is facing down, and I just simply made my own pattern paper using an embossing plate. So just like that. So it came out pretty cool. I mean, first of all, the snowfall emboss plates look fabulous, so that always helps. So let me show you the sheet load that I made from that. A little unusual to make black and white cards for Christmas, but I thought it was striking. So let me show you the different cards that came out of the sheet load. And then you can see, you know, how by switching up the patterns, it switches up the cards. All right, and there are 3 more cards, but they don't all fit in the frame, and you get the idea. So this paper did come from the Paper Studio, these 2 papers, and there's my embossed one. I've had the snowflake die for quite a while, and the sentiment is an old Stampin' Up sentiment, probably from the early 2000s. And I did stamp something inside just to add a little something inside, and I stamped a tree because it was similar to the trees on there. So that is my sheet load of cards for December 2021. Don't forget to check out the other collaborators, and if you would like to learn how you can download this sheet load of cards for free, look in the description box and go check out Call Me Crafty Al's YouTube channel. That is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for following along. Have a great day.